Okay, this is a simple dynamic simulation for the control of level in a vessel. The fluid in this simulation has been considered to be 100% pure propane. Here it is, its composition, and the conditions are uh, its temperature is 90°F and pressure is 200 pounds, and it flows through LCV, and the resistance of the LCV has been considered to be the conductance to be 600, and after that it goes into the uh, vessel. It's just a vessel, and its diameter has been specified as 2 feet and length has been specified as 10 feet. And then in the dynamics tab we haven't specified anything else. We actually uh, uh, took help from the dynamic assistant while converting the simulation into dynamic simulation. Yeah, and after that we just specified these two valves as well. uh, these valves have conductance of 100, both of these. This is trying to simulate to keep the simulation as simple as possible. And the boundary conditions have been specified as these three streams: 1001, 1004, and 2002 represent the boundary conditions. And the outlet pressure from this vessel has been considered to be 78 psig, which is the suction pressure of the propane compressor. Okay, so when we play the and then the level controller, it's just a PID controller in which we have uh, set the process variable and the output target object, which has been the actuator desired position of the LCV. Okay, when we start the simulation, then we can see that the position of the LCV uh, actuator is decreasing because the level in the vessel is increasing. Therefore, it's trying to control the level in the vessel. Okay, so this is a simple simulation which you can create to simulate the level controller in a vessel. Thank you.